Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to yet another episode of
The Darwings Podcast.
And for today,
So, for this episode, guys, ang pag-uusapan natin ay ang pinaka-infamous na topic ng love life. So, dahil nga love life ang pag-uusapan natin, this episode is entitled On the Wings of Love. So, yeah. So, meron tayong mga set ng questions na sasagutin namin ni Raja about the complexities and specificalities of love. So, yun lang. Yeah, so let's get started.
First question. Can you love someone and still choose to leave?
So, sino una sasagot?
Bato ba topic mo? 1, 2, 3.
Ikaw una
Ako
sasagot.
muna. I think na you can still genuinely love someone but still leave them be. In a way na if alam mo na the relationship isn't benefiting both of you emotionally and with all of your needs, syempre may sarili-sarili naman tayong needs. We all have our own hierarchy of needs. We all have our own languages that we want to be understood by. And so kapag hindi na nasasatisfy to and there's no willingness between both parties to continue satisfying each other and continue understanding each other as well as studying each other's languages, then doon natin malalaman na it's time to let go. Even though matagal yung pinagsamahan nyo, hindi ba mas nakakapanghinayang yung time na mawi-waste nyo finding the perfect or not perfect, the righter someone if you choose to stay. So, yun. Next.
So, sa akin kasi, letting things go is part of love. And most of all, parang when we choose to let go of something, we have to weigh things based on what they actually are right now, not what they actually were. So,
Actually, though.
kapag we choose to let go of someone, we have to weigh muna kasi kung ano na ba yung nakakos ng love natin. So, if our love caused more harm than good, kung baga, towards each other, then what is the point of continuing something that is harmful na towards sa inyong dalawa? And another thing na dapat nating i-weigh din kasi is if ever man na mag-get through natin yung ganong bagay, what is, kumbaga parang ano yung future na nakikita natin, na kumbaga parang nakikita ninyong dalawa sa pagko-continue ng relationship ninyo. So, kumbaga, meron pa ba tayong future like beyond this adversities? Kumbaga parang, is it worth to continue something na hindi naman na natin sure kung saan siya papunta? So, kumbaga parang love kasi, isa din kasi sa pinaka ino-overlook ng mga tao. Love, kapag nagmamahal ka, hindi dapat, kumbaga parang hindi dapat bothersome na nagmamahal ka ng isang tao. And when that time comes, siguro doon na dapat natin i-consider na i-weigh natin yung mga bagay, and doon din natin siguro dapat i-consider if mas mabuti bang mag-let go or i-continue yung relationship.
And apart from that, once you choose to leave, hindi naman ibig sabihin nun, you stop loving them. You still continued loving them. However, that was your own way of loving them, letting them go. And apart from that, hindi naman sa tinigil mo na silang mahalin, pero mas mamahalin mo yung sarili mo at that point. If the relationship is toxic, syempre it matters from case-to-case basis. So, yan. Next question.
So, next question. So, ako na unang sasagot dahil ikaw na yung unang sumagot kanina.
Wait, pause muna tayo para may transition yung video.
Go. Ooh!
Okay, wait, dapat may clap tayo after ano. O, sige,
Yeah.
next ano. Okay, next.
Is love supposed to feel peaceful or intense? So, kasi dito parang purely subjective lang naman siya. May mga taong naghahanap ng love na like, how do I word this properly? Siguro ayun, yung intense, like mapusok, ganun. Kumbaga parang
Like adventurous
yes,
kind
adventurous kind of love.
Thrilling,
Oo,
nandun yung
kumbaga
ano.
parang, some could argue na love bombing siya, pero for
Mhm.
others kasi, if that is the form of love that they ought to find, edi bakit hindi natin yun ibigay sa kanila? So, meron kasi, on the other hand naman, merong mga love na gusto nila ng stability. Kumbaga parang mas okay sa kanila na hindi umaabot ng climax yung love story nila, pero it is consistent. Kumbaga parang ang gusto nila, ito yung tipo ng mga taong minsan 'di ba yung date to marry.
Yeah.
Kumbaga,
Kasi like kung kanino
Oo.
sila napapalagay.
parang mas gusto nila yung comfort over excitement. And
Like the butterflies,
Yeah.
parang mas mababa yung feelings.
kumbaga parang ano yun sa kanila eh. Kumbaga hindi naman siya love is peaceful or intense. However,
love should be
love
either
should
of the
be
two.
either of the two. Kumbaga parang hindi naman dapat porket peaceful yung love, hindi na siya intense. Porket intense yung love, hindi na siya peaceful. So it is the art of striking the balance between the two.
Actually,
So yeah, sa'yo.
for me, love is everything in between. Kasi kung nasa roller coaster ka, imagine there's going to be a lot of highs and lows sa buhay mo. And so, when you love someone, you're committing to continue loving them and to continue choosing to love them each and every day despite the circumstances. So, love is everything in between. Kasi there's still love. Love still exists even kapag malungkot ka, kapag sobrang nag-e-enjoy kayo, sobrang nasa pinakatuktok ka or nasa rurok ka ng buhay mo, or even when you're hitting rock bottom, love still exists even during those moments. And so, love for me doesn't need to be stable, it doesn't need to be intense. However, it should have those moments kasi that's what makes it up. Pero at the same time, love is also, alam mo yun, like the best portrayal or the best representation of love is when you're enjoying something kahit na technically boring siya. Like, if life was a movie and if life was a series, love should be the filler episodes. You're just doing something na supposedly it's just paulit-ulit. It's not really something special. However, because the two of you are doing it together, then it makes it all the more special. So love, once again, is everything in between. And and love is always the filler episodes of life.
Kumbaga parang love should be omnipresent. No matter
actually.
Peaceful siya or intense. Dapat love, when you love someone, you have to fully commit to loving them. And by fully committing, that means that your love should be ever present no matter kung saang state man yung relationship niyo. So, yeah. So, for the third question,
Wait lang.
Yeah.
Next.
pili tayo. Pili muna tayo.
Pili-pili.
Oh,
Ano?
parang gusto ko to.
Okay.
Sige.
Chat, go.
Ikaw una sasagot.
Ako.
Yeah.
So, question is, how do you know the difference between love and attachment? Damn! For me, love, actually, there's all kinds of love. There's romantic love, familial love, platonic love. And so, attachment for me is something na it's a step along the way. You first get attached to someone before you start loving them. So, attachment is something na you can get even for objects. We get attached to things na, halimbawa, sa hobbies natin, we're attached to skating, we're attached to binge watching, we're attached to playing games, we're attached to teddy bears, and whatever, something na may sentimental value. However, when it comes to loving someone, it doesn't just stick to a specific, to their specific presence. Kasi diba, when you're attached to someone, you long for their presence. You're attached to them eh. Pero when you love someone, it's not really a matter of their presence. You don't just long for them to be present with you, pero you long for their entire being. Attachment is being attached to someone for a certain quality. Like, halimbawa, attached ka to this friend kasi comfort person mo siya. However, when you love someone, you go beyond all of those. Kasi you love the entire person. Like, you love the entire being. And it's not just attachment kasi all sorts of aspects are at play. don't just rely on them. Kasi each and every moment of your life, you're going to wish na, I wish nandito yung taong yun. Pero when you're attached to someone, you would remember them during certain moments lang. So, yun. For me, the difference is that.
So, isa kasi sa hindi nire-recognize or hindi naman sa hindi siya nire-recognize, pwedeng ino-overlook or pwedeng silent realization lang along the way. Attachment and love is actually the same. However, in love, andun nga yung commitment. Like, commitment,
Actually,
dedication na to do better or to do what's best for them. So, pwede akong ma-attach sa isang bagay. So, pwede akong ma-attach sa isang bagay. Like, attach ako kasi kailangan ko siya. Pero, kahit attach ako doon, pwedeng hindi ko siya mahal. Kumbaga, parang ano ba? Okay, so ikat na lang natin yun. Ayun. So, pwede tayong ma-attach sa something pero like hindi natin sila mahal. Halimbawa, maraming case na, let's say na kumbaga parang we should go beyond romantic needs, di ba? Halimbawa, isa ka sa mga taong napilitan na magtrabaho ng ganito kasi, halimbawa, parang passion over practicality. However, in this case, you chose practicality. Attached ka sa trabaho mo kasi nakakapag-provide ka ng something para sa pamilya mo. Pero you certainly don't love the job kasi nga, hindi yun yung gusto mong gawin. And you are not committed to that job kasi gusto mong mag-commit or gusto mong i-dedicate yung buhay mo para sa trabaho na yon. Pero, kaya mo siya ginagawa. Kasi, yun yung nagbibigay ng pagkain. Kumbaga parang yun yung nagtatawid sa inyo sa pang-araw-araw. So, attachment, kumbaga, ayun nga, tama yung sinabi ni Raja kanina na we get attached to certain concepts. Dahil nga, when we do believe dun sa mga concept na yon or when we adhere to those concepts, mas nakakabuti siya sa atin. However, in love, dahil nga ang love ay rooted sa commitment, minsan nagpapakamartir tayo na kahit nasasaktan na tayo, we still dedicate something to that person dahil nga, mahal natin sila. So, ayun siguro yung difference ng love and ng attachment para sa akin.
And another thing, actually na-realize ko lang din siya nung nakikinig sa sinabi ni Dano. Pero when you love something, it consumes you. Pero when you're attached to something, you consume that. Kasi, bawa, you're attached to someone kasi you're consuming their attention, their time, and so whatsoever. Pero when you love someone, they consume your entire being. Lagi siyang, bawa, let's talk about passion. Bawa, when you're passionate about singing, syempre, every time, everything na gagawin mo, maiisip mo siya at maiisip mong kumanta. Kahit saan ka mang lupalop ng mundo or ng industry mapunta, you would still go back to that. Kasi yun yung, you're not just attached to singing, pero you actually love singing. So, yun.
Eto, like last na. I feel like, doon lang ako mag-disagree. Siguro, hindi consume. However, we share. Sa love, we share a part of ourselves sa, halimbawa, kung sa romantic, we share a part of ourselves sa partner natin. Kaya nga, may tinatawag na us. Kasi yun yung bonding ninyong dalawa. Kumbaga, yun yung combination ng personalities ninyong dalawa. So, kapag attachment kasi, doon medyo hindi natin sinishare yung sarili natin.
More on pag-attachment, parang
yeah,
sila yung nagsishare.
Oo, sila yung, kumbaga parang one-sided lang siya. Pero sa love, we should, parang hindi na siya, unspoken na siya. Kapag nagmahal tayo ng isang tao, we should unconditionally share part of us dahil, kumbaga parang yun yung investment natin. Kumbaga, if we share the wrong part of ourselves, like, we could end up having that part damaged or gone completely.
The topic of investment though, Kasi sa attachment, you're not investing something. Sila yung nag-invest sa iyo. However, when you love someone, you invest your time, your everything unconditionally, even though walang promise na may return yung investment mo. There's no promise of reciprocity. Pero with attachment, unang-una pa lang na-attach ka because, yun nga, there was something na given to you, be it time,
Para nakaka-benefit ka.
yeah, anything intangible or tangible.
So, kumbaga, technically, love has all the uncertainties and attachment has all the benefits. So, ayun. Ayun na guys. So, that wraps up our first and last
Podcast.
episode sa Darwin's Podcast. So, it has been a really good time dahil na we shared perspectives about our paniniwala sa pagmamahal.
Paniniwala.
Kumbaga parang kasi ayun nga, kumbaga parang ang conclusion lang naman nito guys, we all love differently.
Nice.
We all love in different forms and
It's going
That-
to be mutual understanding if i-accept nyo ba both
kung
ones.
paano kayo magmahal ng isang tao. Kumbaga, love is mutual
And love is commitment.
and
And
love,
willingness.
yes. So, ayun lang guys. So,
Thank you.
sana may napulot kayo na kahit
Sana
onti
napula.
lang na lesson.
Yeah.
So, yeah, thank you.
Thank you for watching On the Wings of Love.
So, thank you, guys.
Yay!
And congratulations sa lahat ng Batch 7 dahil tapos na. Ayun. So, yun lang guys. Thank you po. Bye-bye.
Mag-workout ng kumbaga mo.
Kumbaga,
Like, something called kumbaga.
wait lang, iyak